very bright. The vine snake. Look over there. The green color, like a pipe.
Oh my god.
Let me zoom in for you.
Yes, yes, yes. My god, Ajit. How do you even see these things?
It's very bright, right? Against the olive background, olive backdrop. Everything bright is a vine snake.
Okay. Is it venomous?
Mildly, very little, and not enough to hurt you.
Ajit, what's the name of this?
Vine snake.
Okay, vines.
Green wine is there.
So long.
Look at it, you can see it's strong.
Yes. Yes.
They're very docile. They hate encounters with humans.
Acha.
Never bite you. But if you focus on their head, it's like you focus on their head. It's like a triangle. You know?
Okay.
So it's looking at us. It's tasting the air. Very mildly venomous.
Yeah. So beautiful, huh? I'm in awe of the beauty.
What's the name of the coffee?
The tale is never ending.
The tail's over there till it's extended.
Yes.